everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I am Khushi. In today's video, I am going to take you through another exciting news from social media ecosystem. If you are Instagram creator, there's a good news. The Meta-owned photo sharing app has apparently begun testing a new feature geared in increasing your revenue. Content creators will be able to earn money by offering subscribers exclusive stories under the new monetization model. On November 1st, the Instagram subscription feature was updated on Play Store and App Store for the first time. According to the current pricing of the app, social media company would charge Rs 89 per month for Instagram subscription. According to Instagram's Play Store and App Store listing, in-app purchases start at Rs 89 and go up to 449. In United States, social networking app has just added in-app purchase option for Instagram subscriptions to its app listing on the Play Store and App Store. Instagram CEO Adam Mosseri previously stated that the network is looking into subscription-based model for creators. The social media giant has yet to make an official announcement about the new features. Furthermore, users may buy Instagram badges to present creators during live session, and the new subscription option is available alongside them. When you DM the creator or comment on their post, a special member badge will appear next to your username. This symbol is supposed to prioritize interaction with the creator. It's worth noticing that artists will be able to track their estimated profits, current members, and memberships that have lapsed. Meanwhile, a rising number of social media firms has created their own creator subscriptions program, including TikTok, Snapchat, Pinterest, YouTube, and Twitter. What are your views on Instagram update? Do let me know in the comment section below. That's all for the day. Thank you for watching. Before leaving, don't forget to share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.